Good day, sir. This is our oral presentation on MGMT2 about Analysis of Safety Management System or SMS Functional Requirements on Board Ships. Reported by Group 1, Midshipman Bitita Jan Michael, Midshipman Banyas Jeron, Midshipman Bakabak Ruel Jan, and this is a student of SMT S31 Eric. Introduction. The Safety Management System or SMS is an organized system planned and implemented by the shipping companies to ensure the safety of the ship and marine environment. SMS is an important aspect of the International Safety Management or ISM code, and it details all the important policies, practices, and procedures that are to be followed in order to ensure the safe functioning of ships at the sea. All commercial vessels are required to establish safe ship management procedures. SMS forms one of the important parts of the ISM code. The Safety Management System or SMS therefore ensures that each and every ship comply with the mandatory safety rules and regulations and follow the code's guidelines and standards recommended by the IMO classification societies. The concerned maritime organization, the International Safety Management or ISM code, was mandated for worldwide shipping over 2 decades ago, and for good reason. With risk assessment at its heart, ISM allows international shipping companies to operate on a mutually agreed upon benchmark and strive for higher standards in safety and risk prevention. A safety management system is the key requirements for the ISM code implementation, and it is aimed to ensure the safety of humans on board as well as protecting the environment and property from any damage. Our maritime safety management system software lists the policies and procedures of the ISM, making it easier for your fleet to follow the recommended guidelines and hence comply with laws. Even when shortcomings are found or an unwanted event occurs, an advanced SMS like Shipmate allows complete management of post-pandemic investigation and operation-wide audits. It provides faster way to identify the area of improvement, implement the required changes in the safety protocols, take corrective and preventative actions, and devise risk-minimizing strategies. Our quality and safety management system encompasses a host of features that make your vessel secure, safe, and high-tech.
Discussion. Every safety management policy should satisfy some of the basic functional requirements to ensure the safety of every ship. They are procedure and guidelines to act in an emergency situation, safety and environmental protection policy, procedure and guidelines for reporting accidents or any other form of non-conformities, clear information of the level of authority and lines of communication among ship, crew members, and between shore and shipboard personnel, procedures and guidelines to ensure safe operations of ships and protection of the marine environment in compliance with relevant international and flag state legislation. Procedures for internal audits and management reviews, vessel details, emergency guidelines that assist in quick action, risk assessment, environmental and safety policies set by the ISM and other maritime organizations, clear lines of communication among the crew and between the shipboard staff and shoreside personnel, internal and management audit procedures, accident analysis and reporting, audit and management review procedures. In short, a safety management system would consist of detail as to how a vessel would operate on a day-to-day basis, what are the procedures to be followed in case of an emergency, how are drills and training conducted, measures taken for safe operations, who is designated person, etc. The safety management plan is mainly the responsibility of the owner of the vessel or the designated person or the persons appointed by the owner. However, the ship's master and the crew are the best people to make SMS as they know the vessels inside out.
For our conclusion, in summary, analysis of Safety Management System or SMS functional requirements on board ships is to maintain a level of uniformity in shipping standards worldwide. The ISM code mandates certain requirements for SMS software. Shipping companies are required to work with SMS is to maintain an environmental protection and safety maintenance policy and manuals on reporting accidents and reporting non-compliance to ISM. For our recommendation in this topic, we recommended that the Safety Management System or SMS are digital platforms that provide easy access to these guidelines for the crew, vessel managers, and the company stakeholders. This system makes it easy to centrally manage and disseminate information on safety protocols and hence follow the ISM codes internationally.